Welcome to our deep dive into First Republic Bank. If you've ever wondered whether this bank is the best option for your finances or just another institution with hidden fees, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about its terms of service, services, and costs. Let's cut through the confusing jargon and get to the facts. First Republic Bank is known for its focus on personalized customer service and private banking. It primarily serves high-net-worth individuals, but also offers a range of services for small businesses and everyday customers. Established in 1985, the bank has grown steadily, with branches in major metropolitan areas across the United States. Advantages exceptional customer service. The bank prides itself on a customer-centric approach, offering tailored solutions and direct access to dedicated bankers. Wealth management services. A wide range of investment and advisory services for customers with significant assets. Private banking experience, personalized loans, mortgages, and financial planning that cater to affluent clients. Community involvement. The bank supports local organizations, making it a trusted name in its service communities. Disadvantages high minimum balance requirements. Many accounts require large deposits, which may not suit everyone. Limited geographic availability. Branches are concentrated in select cities, limiting access for those outside these areas. These structures, while the services are premium, some fees can be higher than competitors. Service overview. First Republic Bank offers checking and savings accounts, personal and business loans, mortgage services, and wealth management solutions. Their checking accounts often come with benefits like overdraft protection and bill pay services, but typically require a balance of $25,000 or more to avoid monthly fees. Savings account options feature competitive interest rates, provided you maintain balances exceeding $50,000. Mortgages and personal loans are tailored, with flexible terms and competitive rates. However, these perks are often reserved for customers with excellent credit or substantial financial assets. The bank's wealth management services stand out, including retirement planning, trust services, and estate management. A dedicated financial advisor works closely with clients, but this is often geared towards high-net-worth individuals. Costs account maintenance fees, typically waived for customers who meet high minimum balance requirements. Transaction fees. These can apply to wire transfers or excessive withdrawals from savings accounts. Wealth management fees. Costs depend on the level of assets under management, starting at $1 million in some cases. Is it right for you? If you're someone who values premium service and personalized financial solutions and can meet the bank's minimum requirements, First Republic Bank may be an excellent choice. However, if you're seeking low fees or more accessible banking options, you may want to explore alternatives. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to support more content like this.